I really want to emphasize this for the men. It really bothers me every time I go to Jummah to see people wearing t-shirts, wearing jeans. I mean, in the United States, and England I'm sure is the same, but it really bothers me personally because, I came out of the Christian tradition, and in Christianity you had what was called your Sunday best. It was like you had a special suit or dress that you wore for going to church. And the Prophet ﷺ had special Jummah clothes that he wore. He took a bath. He put on scent. Jummah should be a big day. It's not just you go to Jummah and you wear your t-shirt with, sometimes you even see them with designs and things on them, or Corolla or something like that. I mean, it's really, I find it just the degradation, human degradation of modern man with no understanding of who he is or who she is, that you're actually vicegerents of God on earth. And Jummah, at least give that day its due and wear nice clothes to Jummah. I just find it really disgraceful personally, because I know, wallahi, if they went to do a job interview, they wouldn't dress like that. And that's what Jummah is. You're going, it's an interview with God, to see whether you're acceptable or not. So if that's all you give God, then don't expect God to give you anything back. Wallahi, ana 'inda dhanni 'abdi bi. I am in the opinion of my servant of me. And if that's what you think about God, that you're going to wear your t-shirt and your jeans to God's house on Friday, then, it's very sad. And I lived in Mauritania with Bedouin. Wallahi, never would any of those people go to the masjid, and they prayed 5 times a day in their sirwal, and they always put on their robe, to go to the masjid. خُذُوا زِينَتَكُمْ عِنْدَ كُلِّ masjid. Take your zina, your ornaments to every masjid. That's what the Quran says. خُذُوا فِعْلْ أَمر. Take your zina to every masjid. So the Prophet ﷺ had special garments for Friday prayer that were not included among the precious clothes he regularly wore. So you should have a Friday clothes that you set aside and just wear them for Jummah. That's the sunnah. Take your bath, put on your perfume if you're for the men, and really go looking nice. And if people ask you at work why you dressed up, then tell them, because this is our Sunday. This is the day that we go in congregation to worship together.